Alright, so 3.5, we're going to work out problem number 3. Problem number 3, you've got a system of 3 equations, and they each have 3 variables. So what we want to do is get rid of one of these variables. So look at your R's, look at your S's, and look at your T's, because we're pretty good at handling a system of 2 equations with 2 variables. So what we want is 2 equations with 2 variables. That's our goal. So we're going to manipulate this thing. We're going to take this and manipulate it into something that we are pretty good with. So first of all, my eyeballs go right here to this. I'm going to draw a dotted line right here. I'm going to focus on the middle and the bottom. Okay, this middle and this bottom equation, if I add them up how they are right now, my R's are going to cancel because I got a negative 4R and a plus 4R. So that is a 0 right off the bat. So I am choosing to get rid of my R's. I don't want any more R's. I just want S's and T's. So if I carry on, I'm going to get a negative 8S, and I'm going to have 5 T's. And that is equal to 8. Alright, so that's my first equation. A negative 8S plus 5T is equal to 8. So I've got 2 variables. Now, I used my middle and my bottom, so somehow I have to involve my top equation. So my top equation, let's go this way, right here. Let's put it right here. 2R plus 2S minus 3T equals a negative 10. Okay, now I can choose to compare my top one with either the middle or the bottom. And I have to get rid of my R's. These are the ones I got to get rid of. And because this is a positive 2R, I'm going to choose the middle, this guy right here. Because it's a negative 4R minus 4S plus 6T equals 20. So now look, if I'm going to cancel my R's out, I'm kind of already set up because I got one of them's positive, one of them's negative, and that's how I'm going to eliminate. So I need to eliminate my R's, and I need to find the least common multiple of 2 and 4. Least common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. So how am I going to change 2 R's into 4 R's? If I times them by 2. And if I times them by 2, I need to times each term by 2. So I'm going to do 2 times 2R is 4R. 2 times 2S is 4S. 2 times a minus 3T is a negative 6T. And 2 times negative 10 is a negative 20. Alright. So now I'm going to add them up. And my negative 4R plus 4R, that's 0. My negative 4S plus 4S, that's a 0. Alright, my 6T and a negative 6T, that's a 0. So 0, 0, 0. And if we keep going, we're going to get 20 and a negative 20, and that is also a 0. So I'm into that weird territory. So if I have 0 equals 0, I don't have any variables, but I do know that 0 equals 0. It's kind of weird, but it's true. Alright, true means that they must be the same line, and if they're intersecting, these planes are going to intersect in the same line, so that means they are going to have infinitely many solutions.